So I've just tested the Rossignol Nova 8. It's a women's medium to high-end piste ski. It felt really good. It felt very stable. It felt very strong. It sent you well into each turn and into the next turn. It was quite confident, inspiring. When you're on an edge, it held you there. I don't know if that's got to do with the wood core, or this year the ski's got the Forcer technology, which was in the unisex ski in previous years, and now that's been brought into the women's piste ski for the first time. If you're a female skier who goes up to reds, blacks, I think you'll really like this. I didn't take it off the piste, but on the piste it performed well on the smooth piste and in a few bumps as well. So yeah, to summarise, it's the Nova 8, it's from Rossignol, women's piste ski, and the price point is $575, including a binding.